And so it begins. Love Heart Ferrero Roche wall for the wedding events organiser. Well, here's another first. Never heard of it. Ferrero Roche wall. Well, I guess it's just a display really for events in the shape of a love heart. Little shelves on it for you to put, in this case, Ferrero Roche. I guess anything you want on it, and guests can help themselves. Do you know, it never amazes me the different things that are out there that you've never heard of until someone asks you to make them. And I'm so pleased I've been asked to make this one, and I'm quite excited to get started on it. So here we go. Excellent. Well, I'm really pleased with that. I think it's come out really well. Kept the centre. Want to try and keep most of it. Potentially make another display for the customer. Bit of work though to save that, I think. First stage done. It's about 1 metre tall, from the point of the heart to the top of the curve. Perfect, I think. I'm really pleased. Obviously some sanding, etc. to get the outside as good as possible and to the correct shape, but I think we're well on our way. Bring on the next stages. I'm really excited to get it finished. Happy days. time's moving on. The heart's cut, drilled the holes for the shelf brackets, a little bit of sanding done around the outsides, tidying up, painting, and we're away. Time for the base. Really pleased. I think the shelves are going to look brilliant, all in the little chrome type brackets. I think they'll stand out in the crowd. So just put the primer and undercoat on the heart shape, ready for the top coats. Next steps, making the base to hold it. Looking pretty good so far. So at this stage it became really apparent that I was running out of time to film everything. So I just started using photos which I've inserted into the video. I appreciate doesn't necessarily show everything that I did, but I think you can get the gist from it. Basically a box where I used the scroll saw to cut out some love heart shapes, and there's going to be some LED lights put on the inside, so I had to leave holes on the base to be able to access the lights, and a slot cut in the top for the heart to slip into, so that they come apart and make it easier to transport. And then all just painted white. Used acrylic paint after applying a base and an undercoat, and the shelving were all bespoke and cut to size for each set of holders, and then I smoothed the edges over and painted them white, as you can see here. I was really pleased with the overall outcome, so here's a shot of it without the shelves being fitted and just showing the chrome shelf holders that are in place. As I said, all the shelves were bespoke for each set of holders. I think the chrome just makes it pop a bit. And then the finished products with a couple of Ferrero Roche. I'm fortunate though that the customer who was really grateful and loved the product took a photo of the previous product, the donut wall and the Ferrero Roche wall at the first wedding venue that they were used on, and I think they look amazing. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please consider subscribing and pressing that like button. It'd be really nice to have you join my channel and help it grow. Cheers guys.